What is up, everybody? It is Derpy King here, back with another video. We are going to be doing some, what do you call it? Oh yeah, Bed Wars. So, I am also going to be with my friend, Cross Collide. He is right there. You can see him. Here, I'll get to him. And yeah, so, yeah, guys, come check out my new channel. This will be actually on my new channel and my, and on my vlog channel right now, so you guys can view and come and subscribe. Um, so yeah, you guys can subscribe to my new channel, please. That would be great. And that's gonna be my gaming channel, and the other one's gonna be my vlog channel. So yeah, let's go. Okay, guys, sorry, my friend muted himself so that he wouldn't interrupt my intro. So yeah. Maybe he's doing his intro, I don't know. I think, guys, he might be making his intro right now. Yeah, go subscribe to him at Cross Collide. He might be, yeah, he might be doing a video. Oh yeah, here he is. Say hi, Cross Collide. He's Connor, yeah, he likes to call himself Connor. Peace, I'm muting. Okay, guys, I just muted myself. You guys can hear him. Hey. Hola. Hola. Oh crap. Oh frickers. Okay, guys. Well, that was like, we just got wrecked. So, yeah. Yeah, I'll give you my texture pack and his texture pack. It's not mine technically. I didn't make it. So, yeah. Yeah, guys, just saying my new channel. Oh crap, that glitched though. My new channel, it does not have any it's gonna be really hard to find. So yeah, it's gonna be like actually incredibly hard to find because it's like brand new. I barely have made a video. Well, I made one. And guys, remember, if you guys like my vlogs better, then please stay with my please stay at my Derpy King normal, not Derpy King Gaming. Yeah, I don't know if I told you, but my next channel is Derpy King Gaming, just saying. So, yeah. Is there an emerald down here? No. Just... Really? You know what's funny? I'm the same. Oh crap, I gotta get... Oh, I'm going for yellow, bro. I'm going for yellow. I don't care. I'm gonna fall because I almost killed myself because of this horrible glitch. Yo, you don't even know how glitchy my game is right now. What do you want? Did you die? Yo, my game is... Yeah, I just died because of how glitchy it was. But, guys, sorry that was so glitchy. Yeah. So... Guys, don't forget to go subscribe to Cross Collide, also known as Connor. He makes a lot of these videos. I think, I don't know, but I usually make, like, vlogs at the pool or, like, something like that. Oh, yeah, I'm going to be trying to upload every day, no matter, like, watch out, Red's behind you, no matter, like, if it's, like, a vlog or a gaming thing. So, turn your notifications and subscribe. The winner will be getting a... What was it? I need to talk to you. It's a... Oh yeah, it's a GoPro.
Wait, the winner gets a GoPro?
Yeah.
You're giving away a GoPro?
Yeah. No, I'm joking. It's not a GoPro, it's a camera. Guys, JK, it's not a GoPro, it's just a camera. Guys, you can see I'm dead, so... Yeah. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next game. It's loading. Okay, guys, I suck right now. So, we are doing duels, and I'm going to lose right here. So, let's just get into it, because I am going to be facing Connor, Cross Collide. Yo, my game's glitchy, bro. Bro, my game's glitchy. Ah, I'm dying.
Oh gosh.
Please save me.
Oh, what? Oh.
Guys, that was my fault. I was doing something. Go, Connor, go. Go, Connor, go. Go. You guys have probably heard my name before. It's Caden. Just saying. Hey guys, you see me at the pool with long hair, I know, but I'm going to be cutting it on Wednesday. So I'm going to look way different. I never wanted to tell you this. No, I'm joking. I don't care. But yeah, my friend doesn't know either. Connor doesn't know either. So yeah. Boy! Guys, sorry my videos are so short lately. It's because I don't have much time. Ooh, smash it. So yeah. This video will most likely be short. And then I'm going to do a vlog with my other friends. It might be a PK shootout. It might be like, I don't even know yet. Yeah, so my next vlog will be pretty soon. Probably tomorrow? No. Yeah, most likely tomorrow. And it's going to be filmed from my GoPro, so yeah. Ooh, come on, come on. Yes! Okay, guys, we just won the duel. Technically, did because I did nothing. I had it. Oh, GG. Okay. Okay, guys, so, because I did nothing, so, yeah. Okay, guys, we are going to go back to Bed Wars, and that's going to be my last game. So, yeah. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. My new channel, Dirt King Gaming. And, yeah.
By the way, I made all of Caden's
The total lie right there, so that's some crap. That's crap right there. And guys, you guys would know, because you know. Come on, guys. You really think this kid made my thing? He's horrible at technology. JK, he did actually help a lot with my thing, but he did not do all of it. Yo, oh, I thought green was against us for some reason. Dude, you got a challenge. His name is Blue. No, I messed up in so many different areas. No! Okay, now I gotta do this. Whose bed? You actually took out Blue's bed already?
Yeah.
See guys, this kid is a savage. No! I messed up again. I don't really care. Okay. Oh crap. I'm gonna go try to kill Blue. My game is very glitchy, so I'm gonna have to do something real quick and then I'm gonna get back. So guys, also yeah, I'm not getting off the phone right now, so yeah. Guys, my game is very glitchy right now, sorry. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go to their bed. And guys, my video might end in the middle of this game because I gotta go do something real quick.